Hey guys, in this video I will show you a great improvement for my previous project, which is EN01. You guys may already know I created the EN01 2 months ago. I got a lot of comments from subscriber. One of them talk about we should replace the front panel with a screen. This will make the bot alive and more cute. So I take that suggestion. It took me about 2 weeks to get this done. I will show you this one. This is original panel, and this one is the current one. I redesigned this CNC part, and JLC provided me a CNC part. Thanks for the JLC. In this video, I will show you how to redesign this one and how to place our order on the JLC website. After that, I pick up a tiny screen and embed to the front panel. It will look like this. Okay, so here is the final result. I reprint the front panel because I want to the color match the body, which is black, so it will look more constant. If you look at the front panel, the screen right now it is sleeping, so the color looks, the emoji looks like this. The emoji will change dynamically based on the movement. If you are trying to like turn left, turn right, stand down, sit up, it will display different emoji, which is very nice, it's very cute. In this video, I will show you how to design this panel, this CNC part, and also show you how to program this one, how to connect this screen. If you look at the top, right now it's not very nice because I just connected the cable to the ESP32 directly. This is look kind of messy. In next video, I will redesign the PCB board. I will show you how to do that, and also the JLC will provide me the PCB board. I will show you how to redesign the PCB board in next video, and also I will put a cover on top of it, so make the board looks much nicer. Let's start with the front panel first. Okay, it's time to do the model design. So you could use any 3D software to create this one, but you need to make sure you could export the STP file format. So you could upload the STP file to the JLC website or any CNC provider. So the first thing is first layer is a screen. Make sure the screen is in the center of the panel. So you need to calculate the length and calculate the measure the offset. Yeah, subtract the offset. Yeah, calculate this offset. Make sure you need to subtract this offset, and the final result should be make the screen looks like exactly in the middle of the panel. So there's some offset you need to calculate. Next thing you need to care about, we need to make some room for the cable, because this cable need to hold to here. The second layer is a PCB board, so we need to put this PCB board over here. Make sure exactly match the size of the driver board. The third layer is this hole. This hole have a few pins, so you may need to make sure this pin could exactly go through here. So this one could connect to the motherboard. Yeah, that pretty much was the design. Okay, let's place the order to JLC website. So first of all, go to the JLC website. Okay, so JLCCNC.com. Yeah, you don't need to sign up. You just go here, and you can upload your file. You can upload your model file. So let's select all of them. Most of the CNC software will export the STF file. So let's upload the file. Okay. Yeah, it's processed. You can see you have a whole bunch of parameters you can pick up. You can also preview this one. Let's take a look at what it looks like. It may take a few seconds. Okay, keep going, keep trying. Yeah, here is what it looks like. It looks good. You can play around with it, make sure everything is right. Yeah, let's go back to the page. Here, a whole bunch of parameters you can pick up, like the material, what material you want. Yeah. The surface finish, you can pick up the parameter. Yeah, I just use the default one. This is the color. And product description. Okay, so you can see the price is $37, which is reasonable, I think. Yeah, it's a very good deal. So once everything is right, click the submit order. Now it will allow you log in, or you already have the account, just sign in. If you don't have, just create a new one. Now you can review everything again and submit the order. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, let's do the wiring and the programming. So look at this board. The black one is ground. The red one is power. This green one is the reset. So if we look at the back of the board, so here is the label. You need to connect to the ESP32, so and go back to the another side. Here is the diagram about this pin. I already highlighted this stuff, so you guys could take a look what exactly how to connect to the ESP32. Yeah, this is the driver board, how they could connect it. Let's talk about the programming. I add some method when we initialize the application. So when we initialize the application, here is the initialize application. So let's find where I try to do something. I try to add some task. Oh, okay. Here I'm going to add a task. I use the CPU-O for this task because CPU-1 already do the PID stuff on the balancing control or kind of stuff. So I just want to reduce the workload for the CPU-1, so I use the CPU-0 to do that. Here is how I do this one. So I just while one, means I'll keep refresh the screen, redrawing something to the screen. Here are some file we need to add to the project. Some basic support file, some library, some fonts. Yeah. We only use a very small thing. We only use small part function for this one. We just draw the BMP file. Just like every few milliseconds, draw one BMP frame. I also will provide you how to convert the GIF, encode the GIF, and how to draw this one. So just keep draw the BMP. That's how it's working.